McDonald, and I'd like to invite you to join me in the Irish American Heritage Center Auditorium on March 20th for Stepping Forward, the best of Irish music, dancing, and piping in the city of Chicago. We'll have world champion dancers from Trinity Irish Dance Company. Jimmy Keane, 5-time All-Ireland accordion champion. Boris Lennon, All-Ireland fiddle champion. Master guitarist Dennis Cahill. Patty Holman, Live Ireland's 2010 Male Vocalist of the Year. And City of Chicago Pipe Band, the top competition band in the Midwest, and one of the best in this country. And I forgot to mention that the evening will be hosted by my good friend Cliff Carlson, the publisher of the Irish American News. You know Cliff, you can go to a lot of places in the month of March to get Irish music, dancing, and piping, but there's only one ticket where you can get the very best of all three on one stage in one night, and that's Stepping Forward.
I agree. That's the ticket.